In the previous lecture, we used the weather example to explain the AI agents and their relationship to large language models. And now in this lecture, I want to show you that example in practice. The interface that you see is Claude. If you want to see that, you can go to Claude.ai. And the one I'm using is the desktop version of Claude.ai. Their model is called Sonnet, or Claude Sonnet, and that's what I'm using. Soon I will show you that, how you can download this and how you can install agents on it. Now what I'm gonna do is to enter a prompt. For example, what is the weather like in Sydney, Australia tomorrow? The response we get is that I don't have access to current weather data. So now what I'm gonna do is that I have installed an AI agent, which is the weather agent, and it's disabled. I just enable it. Now I ask the question again. What is the weather like in Sydney, Australia tomorrow? As soon as I enter this prompt, Claude will understand that I'm asking about weather forecast, and it knows that an agent about weather forecast is available and asks me, do you want to use this agent? And I can say allow once or allow always. And then it uses the agent to connect to weather.com and get the weather forecast of Sydney for tomorrow. It shows you what message it has sent to weather.com in here. And then the response is returned to us. The current weather in Sydney, Australia shows fog with a temperature of 7.1 degrees of Celsius. If you wonder why it's cold in Sydney, it's because when you have summer, we have winter in here. Anyway, soon I will show you that how you can install agents and use them.